Well, home health care is a service that can keep people in their homes longer. Now, I visited with a Bismarck couple taking advantage of St. Alexius' home care program, and they say it's been a real life changer.
Go ahead, Betty.
Betty Friedig is a 74-year-old with a sense of humor that can get a laugh out of just about anyone. She has had a bad back her entire life, and in 2010, her life drastically changed.
As my bones deteriorated, I couldn't walk anymore, and then my vertebrae broke and settled on my nerves. That paralyzed me.
Betty tried physical therapy for 8 weeks, but without seeing a change, she made the decision to take advantage of home health care and says she wouldn't be living at home if it weren't for her nurses and aides.
And girls come out and they help you with your baths, and they help you get dressed and comb your hair and fix your bed and change it and visit a little bit with you and clean up things around here.
And nurses say home health care is a great service because it allows patients to stay where they're comfortable.
Just allows them to stay home. We're kind of the eyes and the ears for the doctors in the clinic or in the hospital. We call them, let them know how the patients are doing, really collaborate with them so that the patient, can stay in their home.
But on weekends, Betty doesn't get help from a nurse or even an aide. So it's up to her husband Ray to take care of not only Betty, but also the household.
A lot of work. It's always something to do. Get her up in the morning and get her dressed and get her up and whatever else there's to do. Mainly taking care of cooking and all that I never did before.
At first, being confined to her scooter was disconcerting to Betty, but now she says once she's up for the day and sees her nurses, the days go by pretty fast.
Once you have your bath and stuff, you feel better. And some days you are hurting more, but once they come in and give you your bath and they come visit with you and the nurses and stuff, it makes you feel better.
Even though weekends are a lot of work for the Friedigs, Betty says it's worth it because it's better than spending the rest of her life in a nursing home. That was an incredible story to do. That was so much fun. And Betty and Ray say they love getting out of the house to go out and eat and play a little bingo.
That's so nice. They still have their
Yeah,
freedom
that's
to
right.
do whatever they want.
That's right.
Thank you, Mark, for that.